Nirmal K. Bhardwaj. I'm 1981 batch from IIT Kharagpur, and thereafter I also studied at IIM Ahmedabad. I'm 83 batch, and I worked with companies like Tata Group and Carrier Corporation, and I also had a stint abroad for almost a decade and a half. And currently, I'm a founder CEO of an organization called Bangalore Angels, where I very closely work with entrepreneurs in a high-tech space.
So, could you also talk about your involvement with the Pan IIT alumni group?
Yeah. See, the Pan IIT essentially started in 2003 when IIT Kharagpur completed its 50 years. And at that point in time, there was an event held at San Jose where a lot of dignitaries in the United States like Bill Gates and several other global entrepreneurs participated in that. And at that time, we also conducted the event in Bangalore called Role of IITs in Nation Building. And at that point in time, we had Mr. Nandan Nilekani, Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Mr. Gopalakrishnan, Dr. P.S. Balaram, Ashok Jhunjhunwala, and even Mr. Jairam Ramesh. And at that time, 3,000 IITians came to Bangalore, and it was a great event, and it was a professional event in the morning, and thereafter we had even family get-togethers. So we had three generations, the IITians, their parents, and even their kids. They're all assembled, and this brought about a huge fraternity of an IIT community. And since then, 17 years down the line, I think is shaping well. Yeah.
So, how do you see this event is shaping this time?
I think this event is very good, and it's a great reminder to all IITians who have studied on a taxpayer's money. It's time that they pay back to the society, and I think this forum really underscores that. And I think all IITians are more than willing, in whichever spheres of life they are, they willingly want to pay back to the society and in nation building process. And today, several IITians and the directors of the various IITs are here, and we are all putting our heads together as to how best we can chart our course of action in the years to come, so that we all move in unison.
Fantastic. Any other thing you want to share with us, sir?
I do want to say is that I think an IIT as an institution is a representative of an organization where we have great thinkers with great intellect, with very high Indian values, and I think IITs as institutions should create job creators and not really job seekers. And I think we have a multiple faceted role. When we talk about nation building, which is a larger ambit, we should also talk about building economies. And for building economies, we need to build organizations, and we need to be job creators, wealth creators. We need to nurture people from the various segments across geographies within the countries. And only one advice that I like to give is that IITians should become more inclusive. We should contribute at the grassroots level and not remain as exclusive elite. It's time to sully our hands and work at the grassroots level so that people of the country also benefit from our acumen, hard work, and direction that this country has invested in us.
Thank you. Give back and give at the grassroots.
Absolutely.
Thank you so much for your time and message, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.